What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a look at all the other videos, click the bell icon, have a view of the bio, join the Discord, all that stuff. So I don't even want to talk too much, I just want to get into this one. Everyone knows how I love Air Force Ones and how I started collecting Air Force Ones, and that just, I'm here today collecting everything. But yeah, Nike Air Force One. This is the Air Force One Fresh, as you can see by the size, the label, Air Force 107 Fresh. Color is white. That's UK 10, sorry, US 10, UK 9. I'm so used to saying UK 10, it's actually a joke. UK 9, US 10, BR 42, centimeters 28, Euro 44. Style code DM0211100. Made in Vietnam, and as you can see, the company's own label explaining Nike Air Force 107 Fresh, £125 retail, white 9, which is 44. Let's get into it. So I saw reviews of these and I thought, nah, they ain't it. So I just thought, let me just get them in hand, wear them, see what they're like. And it's changed my mind. We got that standard paper with the stars. And we got the Air Force One Fresh triple white. So let's just go through it and have a look. So the sole is that standard triple white Air Force One sole. Midsole is also that standard triple white sole. Now when it comes to the upper, it feels like the same leather as a standard Air Force One, but it doesn't. So, all white, rear, mid, front quarter, toe box, perforated, swoosh, everything all white. But this pair just has, it feels slightly different. I did put them on foot to see, if they'll crease as much. Apparently they don't crease as much. So I would definitely be putting that to the test. Because if Nike can do that for this pair, they should do that for every pair. What I do really like on this pair though is the laces. They're not the standard laces that come with a normal Air Force One. They are slightly different. I like these laces way more. I wouldn't mind them having these laces in all of them. And what I also love is spare laces. Nike don't really ever do spare laces in Air Force One, unless it's a different laces. But spare white laces especially, amazing, man. I love that. I'm happy with that. They should do it more often. The inside reminds me of like the Nike Lab Air Force Ones that they had out a few years ago. That plain white leather. It's not cushioned, like it's not cloth cushioning like the other Air Force Ones, the standard ones. This is more of a leather. It is cushioned. They're not uncomfortable by any means. The tongue really annoyed me, but now wearing these, I started to prefer it more. I don't know why, but I just like it more. So that is a leather tongue with, embossing Nike Air and then Air Force One. And also there's like a message on the inside of the tongue. It says, easy to clean, breathable, soft leather. So it's just, a little message. And then we do have, I'm going to try to take it out. I don't want to peel it out actually. the insole, which is different. That's a leather insole as well. And then let the camera pick that up. It does have it like embroidered, no, not embroidered, sorry, embossed or like stamped in. It says fresh. It says Air Force One fresh, and then a Nike tick. You know, same but different. I don't know why they have bits and bobs on them. I did record the on foot, so I know how they are on foot. Obviously true to size. They're not uncomfortable by any means. They do feel a bit different, but I think that'll just take some getting used to. But overall, I will definitely buy these again. Not at the price tag of 125. If it was around 100, definitely. I'm very interested to see how the non-creasing thing works, like see if they actually don't crease, because that'll be a game changer, and I'll probably buy a few more pairs. But one thing is, yeah, people don't really know about these, so they might see them outside and be, oh, they're fake. It's definitely not that. They're just different. If you know, you know. But yeah, people, I don't really have too much more to say about these Air Force Ones. You know, standard. When doing a review of a white trainer or all white, you know, it's always a quick video, because it's like you can't really say much, you can't really explain, especially when, you know, it's all white and it's the same material throughout. But let me know what you think. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you rate them? Do you want the extra laces more often? Yeah, check it out, people, man. Give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a look at the bio. The comments, whatever you want to call it, below. See the information of the video. Join the Discord. It was just a quick one. Wait a few moments for the on foot. Check out the on foot. Check out every single video. And most importantly, take care, my people.